So for this next demonstration, we'll go over convergent modeling to convert faceted data to BREP data using replace mesh with face. We'll take this unusable faceted data, which you also might receive from a supplier or a partner, and we will convert it to usable BREP data. For this next demonstration, I will be adding parametrics to a finished JT and convert it to usable data. As you can see in the non-timestamp geometry folder, this is lightweight body. It's faceted data. If I go to the selection filter, I can't even select a face. I can select a facet body, which that is what it is. It's facet body. The HD3D tools, I can use visual reporting, activate that, and in the face type check, activate the report. See that there's no objects to report on because it's just faceted data. In the polygon modeling, I can convert the facet body. Now it is parametric. If I refresh this, I see that it's a convergent body. So what I want to do is replace mesh with face. I'll take the planes first. It's very important to not select any planes that are touching. Once you hit apply, you can press cancel and see that it's updated to this silver grayish color. I'll go ahead and finish the planes. There are quite a few planes, but I've got almost all of them. You can see they've updated their colors. Looks like we've gotten all the planes. Now we can move on to the cylinders. When selecting the cylinders, it's very important that when you select it, the whole area is highlighted. And then you have to select the parallel for the constraint that I chose. And that turns red. You can see it here as well in the visual reporting. There's the convergent, still in a few spots. It's highlighted blue, as well as the planes. So let's keep going with the cylinders. Finish that up. The whole thing is selected. Specify the vector. Here as well. The other side. Working out well for us. We're not having to select many different faces, which is always convenient. Put this one down here. Blended corners. See, now I have to select this a few different times. Same with the other side. That's okay. Just requires attention to detail. Let's go ahead and get these blends now. The blends on top. This will be our last cylindrical. For this area, we will use a cone shape. Now everything should be covered. You can tell the different colors, yellow, red, silver. So now I'm going to exit out of the HC3D tools. This is all parametric. It's usable data. So let's use synchronous modeling to move some of this data. I'm going to move this cone 10 millimeters to the left. And then let's grab all of this end, move it 15 millimeters to the right. That's the power of synchronous modeling and convergent modeling. So in that demonstration, we used the HC3D tools to identify different face types. We then used polygon modeling to convert unusable faceted data into BREP data, and we used synchronous modeling to make associative changes to the new BREP data. This gave us the benefit of quickly identifying certain details of our existing models and making changes to them as necessary.